Hello, this is Thursday, April the 2nd, and I'm bringing you this COVID-19 real estate update for Austin, Travis County, and Williamson County, Texas. And man, the news is grim out there this morning. 10 million unemployment claims in the last 2 weeks across our nation, which means that 4 years of job growth has just been wiped away. And you may be one of those here in the Central Texas area that has lost your job. It's April the 2nd. Your rent is due. Your mortgage payment is due. You may find that you don't have the savings or the income right now to pay your rent, pay your mortgage payment. Well, there is some hope. There is some good news. The stimulus bill that was passed recently has some provisions within it. For example, if you are renting a single family home or are in an apartment complex that the loan is backed by a government backed mortgage, then there is a moratorium for evictions for the next 120 days beginning March 18th. Now, that's not a moratorium on rent payments. It doesn't mean that your rent isn't due, and it doesn't mean that you won't owe it. But it simply means that for the next 120 days, they cannot evict you from your apartment or from your home. The key is communication. Reach out to your landlord, immediately explain the situation, and maybe they can work out something with you. Now, if you can't make your mortgage payment, likewise, there is a moratorium on foreclosures. So, for example, if you are in the process of being foreclosed upon, that is suspended right now. Your lender must stop that foreclosure process. And new foreclosure proceedings cannot begin over the next 60 days for the period that started March 18th. Now, these are for landlords whose mortgage is government backed, so FHA, VA, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and there's a website to help landlords determine whether that applies to them or not. I'll be happy to put it in the comments here. I want to say again and emphasize that communication is the key. Be sure that you reach out right now, today, to your landlord or to the bank that holds your mortgage. Now, your payment for your mortgage probably won't be past due until the 15th, so you've got some time to reach out to them. And lenders are, getting the job done a lot quicker now in helping their borrowers. Now, also there is the issue of forbearance. So what that means is within the stimulus bill, your lender is mandated to work with you to allow you to actually stop making mortgage payments for a period of time up to the next 360 days. So perhaps your lender will allow up to 12 months of missed mortgage payments. Now, it doesn't mean that you don't owe that, doesn't mean you don't have to pay it back. Each lender is working out how that's going to be paid back. It might be just added to the end of the loan. It might be due as a lump sum at the end of the 360 days. It might be by increasing the mortgage payments at that time. Each lender is working that out. Now, if your landlord does not, or your lender does not have a government-backed mortgage, then according to the stimulus bill, they're not covered under that. You're just going to have to work with them on a case-by-case basis. So stay tuned. Dan Forbes, Forbes Property Group here in Cedar Park, Texas. I'm a realtor helping you stay up to date with these daily updates on the COVID-19 real estate update for Austin. Thanks so much. Feel free to reach out to me if I can help. Be sure also to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell so that you get the notifications. Thanks so much.